We've seen in a past video that fossils are assigned an age through a flawed reasoning technique called circular reasoning. We show that the fossil age is determined by the age of the strata, or the layer of the earth, which is then determined by the age of the fossils in the layer, which are determined by the age of the strata, etc., etc., etc. Now, there are numerous other areas that evolutionists use the same type of reasoning. And in this video, we're going to look at 2 or 3 more of these. Now, every one of the arguments are based on the assumption that the theory of evolution is true, which of course is what the whole debate is over. Any idea that is based on the very assumption that is being proved is, in a very real sense, circular reasoning. Now, let's look at a few examples. We are told by evolutionists that the layers of the earth are millions of years old. But this is based entirely on the assumption that evolution is true. There is no other reason to believe it. Scientists overwhelmingly rejected the idea before the theory was accepted. So, evolution is based on the idea that the age of the layers is in the millions of years, and the idea that the layers are this old is based on the theory of evolution. And so it goes round and round and round. The idea that life could begin from inorganic material is based on the assumption that evolution is true. And we know that life comes only from life, and that all things have a tendency to get worse by themselves, not better. So the idea that life could arise accidentally is based solely on the assumption that evolution is true. And the idea of evolution relies on the fact that life could accidentally begin and improve by itself. Once again, it becomes circular reasoning. Now, probability shows that scientifically it is literally impossible for even the simplest building blocks of life, such as a small protein, to ever just come about accidentally, much less all of the parts at once. The idea that the parts of life could accidentally form is based solely on the idea of evolution. And evolution is based on the assumption that the different parts could come together accidentally to form life. Once again, circular reasoning comes into play. And so this faulty reasoning shows up over and over and over again for those who espouse the theory of evolution. Now, unless we are aware of this approach, we will be unaware of the faulty logic that is common with the theory. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.